So of course, welcome and happy learning sa lahat ng ating mga attendees for today's training. So yung orientation natin ngayon, manggagaling siya sa librong The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So this book has been published by International Marketing Group. So mamaya ipapakilala ko sino nga ba si IMG at paano nito tayo matutulungan na makapag-build ng wealth at makapag-build ng solid financial foundation. So remember, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it is for everyone. So let me just introduce myself to you para hindi naman po ako stranger sa inyo. So I am Reyna Christine Francisco together with my husband. Both of us are based here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And for more than 10 years, kami po ay part and member ng International Marketing Group and a life license underwriter and a certified associate financial planner. But basically, ano man po yung isi-share ko sa inyo, sa araw na ito, it would be the same simple step that we have learned more than 10 years ago at patuloy na ginagawa hanggang sa ngayon. So if you want to know more about us, you can scan the QR code on your screen right now, or you can also visit our website, www.farmersofwealth.com, so that you can connect with us through our social media account. So for all our first-time attendees, meron po tayong gift sa inyo ngayon, and that would be the first 2 chapters of The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book, plus you'll have the chance to claim your free personal accident insurance worth 20,000 as a token of appreciation sa pag-attend nyo at pagbibigay nyo ng oras na makinig sa mga itinuturo natin dito. So mamaya po natin gagawin yan after the orientation. For now, mag-aaral muna tayo. So let's make this training an interactive. So let's start. So sino nga ba si IMG? So IMG or International Marketing Group has been established in the year 2002. So kung babalikan natin or titingnan natin, ang IMG magto 22 years na sa financial industry. So it's one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services company in the Philippines today. Our corporate office po ay nasa Omnis Prosperity Tower sa Makati City. But wag tayong mag-alala or maisip na wala naman ako sa Makati. Don't worry, kung wala tayo sa Makati, nasa probinsya tayo or nasa ibang bansa katulad namin, because we do have branch offices in the different parts of the Philippines and different parts of the world. Kaya, no, we can still be educated and be guided dun sa mga itinuturo ni IMG. At the same time, because of the technological advancement na meron tayo ngayon, may mga online trainings na po tayo katulad nito. So ano nga ba ang mission ni IMG? Our mission is to help create wealth for families. So that's why, since natutunan namin more than 10 years ago, paano ang gagawin para makapag-create ng wealth, para maayos ang finances, we wanted you to have that same knowledge para makapag-create din tayo ng wealth para sa ating pamilya. So no family should be left behind kasi naniniwala po tayo, maraming tao ngayon ang financially struggling due to lack of financial information. Do you believe on that? Maraming hirap sa pera ngayon, marami ang na-scam, marami ang naloloko sa investment kasi kulang tayo sa kaalamang pang-pinansyal. That is very true. Kasi pag alam natin, aware tayo sa mga posibleng mangyari at kailangan gawin, maiiwasan po natin na ma-scam tayo. Kaya nga kung papansinin ninyo, nung nag-how tayo, nung nagtanong tayo doon sa taong nag-invite sa atin, paano ba magsimula nito? Ano ba ang una niyang sinabi? Ang first step po ay umattend ng aming orientation because we wanted you to have that financial knowledge para to give us that hope and to empower us to have a better financial life. Kaya nga si IMG naglunsad po ng malawakang kampanya. Ano yan? That would be to educate 30 million Filipinos by the year 2030. And this is global. Ibig sabihin, kahit nasang parte ka ng mundo, basta't Pilipino ka na gusto mong matuto, you could be part of our campaign. Kasi it would help us to have, again, a better financial life. So if we'll go back to our financial lifeline, mula po nung pinanganak tayo, nag-aral tayo, hanggang sa makapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral, in between that would be our learning years. Because this would be the years that you acquire knowledge and skills, develop your talents for you to be prepared for the next phase, which is our working years. Yung working years natin, kung gaano katagal yun, it would last until such time sinabi mo sa sarili mo, ayoko na magtrabaho or nag-resign ka, nag-retire ka. Or for some, once they reach the age 60, di ba sabi nga, retired na ako, hindi na ako magtatrabaho. But this would be our working years. So ilan po ba sa atin ang nasa working years na? Most of us are on this stage in our life wherein we work hard for the money. Kasi yung perang kikitain natin during our working years, ito yung magpo-provide para dun sa mga pangangailangan natin. Tama? Di ba? Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho dahil may mga pangangailangan tayo at yung perang kinita mo dyan sa pagtatrabaho, yun yung ipagpo-provide mo para doon. But at the same time, remember that the money you have earned during the working years, you need to know how to manage it. Bakit kailangan mong i-manage? All because, no, there is still the next phase, which is your retirement years. At yung retirement years natin, it would be a manifestation of how you have managed your money during your working years. At lahat tayo, gusto natin yung ating retirement years ay hayahay ang buhay natin, komportable, na kahit hindi ka nagtatrabaho, ay napoprovide mo pa rin yung mga pangangailangan mo. Hanggang kailan yung retirement years natin? This would last until you go back to the Lord. Kaya yung BTL, back to the Lord. Kaya kailangan hayahay ang buhay natin dyan. And it would start when you know how to manage your money during your working years. Ano nga bang buhay ang gusto natin during our retirement years? Do we want a comfortable life like this one, wherein there is a money working for you? Why? Because you have passive income coming from your business and your investment. Meron kang long-term healthcare. Kaya pag nagkasakit ka, hindi mo iniisip yung pambayad sa hospital kasi napaghandaan mo, you have your long-term healthcare. At the same time, you're able to build a solid financial foundation. So syempre lahat tayo, ito yung buhay na gusto. Kasi yung retirement years, this would be our longest vacation. Pero sad to say, hindi lahat ganito ang buhay during our retirement years. Do you agree on that? Meron ba kayong mga nakilala or kakilala na nung nag-retire sila or during their retirement years, hindi ganito ang buhay, hindi hayahay? Hindi po lahat kasi ganito ang naging buhay. Maaaring yung iba, ganito ang nangyari. At ayaw nating mangyari yan. Ayaw natin na pagdating ng retirement years, pagod ka na or nasa katandaan ka na, ay kailangan mo pa rin magtrabaho dahil wala kang naihanda para sa iyong retirement. So Rin, paano ang gagawin ko? Ano ang kailangan kong gawin para pagdating ng retirement years ay merong perang nagtatrabaho para sa akin at komportable yung buhay na meron ako? All you need to do is to build a solid financial foundation. Build a solid financial foundation. Not only for yourself, but also for your family. At pag sinabi nating solid financial foundation, there are different building blocks na dapat meron tayo. So ito pala dapat yung kabuuan nung yaman na meron tayo. You need to have investment, emergency fund, debt management, protection, and healthcare. So pag-usapan natin bawat isa. Investment, ito po yung some of us nakita natin sa mga posts that for a small amount of money ay pwede tayong maging shareholder o makisakay sa paglago ng malalaking kumpanya. That is one type of investment. And that is an investment in the stock market. Mamaya, ipapakita ko po, ipapaliwanag ko yan sa inyo. But investment itself, ito po ay para to reach our financial goals. Kasi pag humaba ang buhay natin, sabi ko nga, hindi naman forever ay kaya mong magtrabaho, di ba? Minsan nasa katandaan na tayo ay hindi na tayo makapagtrabaho. Eh papaano yung mga pangarap natin? So ngayon, ang tanong rin, ano yung pinakamagandang investment? May iba't ibang klase po ng investment. Kung ang pag-uusapan natin, anong pinakamaganda, so kailangan muna nating alamin para saan yung investment na sinisimulan mo. Gaano kalaking investment ang dapat meron tayo? It is how much yung laki ng pangarap mo. But if you want to have a general computation, it should be around 20 times of your annual income, yung ating general for our investment. Then, emergency fund. Kasi may mga pangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin kayang i-predict, bigla na lang nangyari at may kaakibat na gastusin po yan. So kaya kailangan may pondo tayong nakahanda dyan. Because once you have your emergency fund, you can protect your investment against put and take and to avoid having debts. So para maiwasan natin na magkaroon tayo ng utang. So magkano emergency fund ang kailangan natin? It should be around 3 to 6 times of your monthly income. And then debt management, bayaran po natin ang ating mga utang. Bakit? Dahil yan pong utang na yan yung anay na sisira sa ating financial house. Of course, ayaw naman natin na yung financial house natin ay merong anay. So, kailangan bayaran natin yung ating mga utang. At para yung pinambabayad mo sa utang, pag natapos mong bayaran niya, yung pera na yun, pwede mo nang ilagay sa investment. So, mas marami kang pera na nagtatrabaho para sa iyo. And of course, protection in the form of a life insurance. So that's just in case you die too soon, agad tayong bumalik kay Lord. Yung responsibilidad mo sa iyong pamilya ay may magtutuloy. So how much protection ang kailangan natin? It should be how much you see your worth to your family. But then again, if you want to have a general computation, it should be around 10 times of your annual income, yung protection. Be a hero to your family. Don't die useless. Yung life insurance po natin, yung protection natin in terms of life, that would be for our family. Yun ang magtutuloy ng ating mga pangarap para sa ating pamilya just in case something happened to us. Because it's a reality of life, every one of us will die. It's just a matter of when. Kaya kailangan nakahanda po tayo. At kung pinrotektahan natin yung life, kailangan may protection din tayo in terms of health. That's why we also need to prepare for our healthcare. Kasi pag nagkasakit tayo, 'di ba? Hindi naman po libre. At ang sakit hindi naman yan namimili at sinasabi niya na naku, hindi ako pwedeng dumapo dito sa tao na to dahil walang pambayad sa ospital. It doesn't work like that. Kaya kailangan nakahanda yung pambayad mo sa ospital. Para pag nagkasakit ka, nakarating ka sa ganong sitwasyon, yung pagpapagaling na lang ang iisipin mo. Kasi di ba marami tayong kakilala or meron tayong kapitbahay or kamag-anak na nung pinasok sa ospital, di ba napakayaman, napakaraming ari-arian, nagkasakit. Isang miyembro lang ng pamilya ang nagkasakit, naubos ang yaman. Bakit? Nasa tradisyon po natin yan. Nasa kultura po natin yung mga Pilipino na ilalaban mo yan ng ubusan ng yaman, madugtungan lang ang buhay ng iyong kapamilya or ng iyong mahal sa buhay. So para hindi maapektuhan yung mga investment natin, paghandaan po natin yung ating healthcare. Dahil yung healthcare expenses, hindi naman siya po bumababa. Pataas ng pataas, pamahal na po, parang ang daming pupondohan na baka kulangin yung budget na meron ako or yung perang kinikita ko. Huwag po tayo mag-alala. Dahil as you become part of IMG, as we guide you, we will teach you also how to increase your cash flow. Need to make more money and reduce your expenses to build our financial foundation faster. Dapat yung ating income po ay hindi lang nanggagaling sa iisa. We need to have multiple sources of income. O, sa may mga sasakyan, di ba bago ka bumiyahe, you need to make sure na meron at available yung iyong reserbang gulong. You always have a spare tire. Bakit? Kasi pinaghahandaan mo yung panahon na baka bigla kang maflatan or mabutasan ng gulong. So same thing with your source of income, you need to have multiple sources of income para lahat ng building blocks sa financial foundation natin ay napopondohan po natin. So kaya nga, kung ang source ng income po natin ngayon ay iisa, yung sahod lang po natin, medyo, di ba, mag-isip-isip tayo, kailangan dagdagan natin. And with the time na meron po tayo ngayon, no, yung panahon kung nasaan tayo ngayon, marami tayong opportunity to earn additional income. All we need to do is to just really maximize and grab that opportunity. So now, how do you build your solid financial foundation? You build it from ground going up. Para po tayo nagpatayo ng bahay, sinimulan mo sa pinakapundasyon, papaangat sa bubong. Wala man tayong nakitang bahay na sinimulan sa bubong, pababa sa pundasyon. It always starts with the foundation. So, same thing with our wealth. You need to start it by increasing your cash flow. Because we cannot put money into our investment if you don't have enough cash flow. Kaya kailangan patataasin po natin yung ating income so that you'll be able to build a long-term investment. And when we talk about long-term investment, pag-usapan natin at pag-aralan natin yung Rule of 72. Sino po yung nakikita nyo sa screen nyo ngayon? Di ba? Si Albert Einstein. Pinakita niya sa atin, itinuro niya sa atin yung Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 will show us the number of years for your money to double. So the formula says 72 divided by the interest rate equal to the number of years for your money to double. But take note, the rule of 72 can work for you and could work against you. Bakit work for you and against you? It could work for you if ang pinaglagyan ng pera mo, ang interest niyan ay through investment. But it could work against you kung nangutang ka at may interest. So kaya kailangan alam natin. So, to understand more, let's have an example. So, let's say for example, I have 10,000 pesos. Ilalagay ko ito sa savings account. Magkano ang interest rate sa savings account? For a savings account, usually it's around 0.5% or 0.25% or 1%. But for ease of computation, we'll just be using 1%. Okay? So, following the rule of 72 divided by 1 is 72 years. So it means it would take 72 years for your 10,000 to grow to 20,000. So tanong ko sa inyo ngayon, yung bang 72 years, mabilis or napakatagal? Di ba napakatagal niyan? At hindi lahat ng tao ay nabibigyan ng dalawang 72 years sa buhay nila. Most people, ang lifespan ng mga Pilipino, around 70, 75, swerte pag umabot pa tayo ngayon na 80. Ayan, or 100, katulad ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. But the typical would be around 70 to 75. Kaya kung 72 years, yung panahon para dumoble yung pera mo, medyo matagal. So ano yung matututunan natin dito? Matututunan natin dito that you need to look for an investment vehicle that would allow your money to grow on a faster pace. So just disclaimer, we're not against bank, but we wanted you to see the difference of putting your money in the bank and putting it into other investment vehicle. Dahil ang katotohanan, ang mga pera ng mga Pilipino, most of it are in the banks. Kasi yun yung kinalakihan natin. But now, na na-open na tayo sa mga different investment vehicle, we need to look saan nga ba lalago yung pera natin na pinaghirapan. So now, let's have another example. 4%. Ano yung mga 4%? Time deposit, bond fund. So 72 divided by 4 is 18. So every 18 years, dumodoble yung pera inilagay mo sa 4%. Let's just say, age 29 tayo, may 100,000 ka, after 18 years, at the age of 47, yung 100,000 mo, 200,000 na. Kasi dumoble na siya. Sabi mo, hindi ko pa naman gamitin eh. Let me wait for another 18 years. So yung 200,000 now grow to 400,000. So okay na, fair enough. Kasi rin sa 4% ko siya inilagay, naglagay lang naman ako 100,000, bumalik sa akin 400,000. Meaning, kumita ng 300,000. Oo nga naman. Pero, tanong ko, nung inilagay mo ba yan sa 4%, inilagay lang nila sa vault yan? Or have they invested it on a higher interest rate? Siyempre, i-invest yan sa mas mataas. What if it has been invested at 12%? Tingnan natin. 72 divided by 12 is 6. So, ibig sabihin, kung sa 12% mo pala i-invest yan, every 6 years, dumodoble siya. So, same span of time of 36 years, ilang beses dumoble? 6 na beses. Kaya yung 100,000, if you know where is the 12%, you could let it grow for 6.4 million. Talaga ba rin? Yes. Very important ang financial education. Because kung hindi natin alam kung saan si 12%, hindi tayo makakapag-invest dyan. Ngayon, ang maaaring maging tanong, kahit ba ordinaryong tao ako, can I invest at 12%? The answer is yes. Kahit hindi ba kalakihan yung pera na meron ako, can I invest at 12%? The answer is yes. As long as you have the right information. Because people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for the money. At yan ang katotohanan. Pag hindi natin natutunan paano magtrabaho ang pera, we will keep on working for the money. Kasi hindi natin siya natututunan paano magtrabaho. But people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. Ngayon, ang tanong ko sa inyo, gusto ba nating matutunan paano magtrabaho ang pera? At gusto ba natin na yung pera ay magtrabaho para sa atin? We need to have that. Kailangan gustuhin natin yun. Kasi sabi ko nga, maaaring ang trabaho hindi nauubos, maaaring ang trabaho laging nandyan, pero yung lakas at kapasidad mong magtrabaho ay hindi laging nandyan. That's why you need to let money work for you. You can make money work for you through growing your wealth through your investment. Okay? So ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang investment. Because I know most of you who are here right now, ang gusto talaga ay investment. Okay? So pag-usapan natin, one investment. And that would be an investment in the stock market. Pag sinabi nating investment in the stock market, this is our opportunity na sumabay sa malalaking kumpanya as they grow because we get to have shares from those big company. Pero take note natin, pag sinabing, share ni Jollibee, share ni SM, share ni BDO, hindi po tayo pupunta kay Jollibee at doon tayo bibili. Sasabihin mo, pabili po ng Jollibee share, wala po silang ibebentang ganon sa branch ng Jollibee. Bakit? Anong meron doon? Ang meron po doon, Chicken Joy, Jolly Hotdog, yon. Pero yung share of stocks, saan? It would be in the stock market. So the venue for you to buy your shares is through the stock market. Okay? Ang bentahan would be in the stock market. And there are two ways for you to do that. One is through mutual fund investing and the other one is stocks trading. So let's differentiate the two. Stocks trading is you invest and trade for yourself. So ibig sabihin, ikaw ang mamimili anong kumpanya yung bibilin mo, kailan ka bibili, ilan yung bibilin mo. Kasi you invest and trade for yourself. With that, you need to have the time and expertise to select, combine, and monitor the stocks in your portfolio. Kailangan may oras ka, kailangan may konting galing ka na to know, di ba? Ano yung mga stocks na ilalagay mo sa portfolio mo. At kailangan marunong tayong mag-analyze which stocks are good and which are bad. And having this, you also need to have the capability and resources to get the right information before it makes the news. So, papaano na yan? Rin, parang wala pa akong oras at expertise to really monitor it. But gusto ko talagang mag-invest sa stock market. What will be my option? Ito kasi yung first time ko na mag-i-invest sa stock market. If that is the case, you can opt to have or to invest in mutual fund. Mutual fund investing is an indirect way of investing in the stock market. Meaning, it's also an investment in the stock market. However, the expert invest and trade for us. So there would be a fund manager who will do the investing for you. So tayo, as an investor, anong kailangan gawin? All you need to do is to put money and you let the fund manager do the work for you. Because managing a stock portfolio is a complex process that is best left to professional fund manager. So the mutual fund takes the stress away from investor who want to invest in the financial market. So para wag nang dagdag stress, wag nang dagdag wrinkle sa atin yan, you let the fund manager do their jobs. At the same time, with mutual fund, it could also give you a high return in the long-term period. Ang kagandahan pa, and really a very nice advantage, if you're an IMG member, you could also have free access to various investment trainings, continuous yan, And every time you invest in mutual fund, zero load po siya. Ibig sabihin, walang processing fee. Having said that, you can maximize the return on investment. Ngayon, alam na natin na, may mutual fund pala, meron palang stocks trading. I-differentiate natin yung paglalagay ng pera sa bangko at paglalagay ng pera sa mutual fund. Uulitin ko, we're not against bank. But we wanted you to see the difference of putting your money in the bank and putting it into an investment vehicle. So pag naglagay tayo ng pera sa bangko, sa savings account, anong tawag sa atin? Depositor. But actually, the right term is creditor. Bakit? Kasi pinauutang natin yung pera natin sa bangko for them to invest it. Saan nga ba ini-invest ito ng bangko? Government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, retail loans, and real estate. If they earn 12% from this, how much they give back to the depositor? Magkano ang interest? Sabi natin kanina, less than 1%. So 0.5%. So yung difference, saan napunta? Kinita po yun ni bangko. Kasi sila yung nakakaalam kung nasaan yung government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, retail loans, and real estate. E papaano naman pag naglagay tayo sa mutual fund? If you put money in mutual fund, you are a shareholder. Meaning you are part owner of the mutual fund company. Saan ini-invest? Yung perang nakalap sa mutual fund, it would be the same thing. Government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, except lang for retail loans and real estate. Because the liquidation there would be much, mas matagal. If the mutual fund company earns 12% from that, how much they give back to the shareholder? It would also be 12%. Ngayon, ang tatanungin ko po sa inyo, alin ang mas mabilis lalago ang pera mo? Sa 12% or sa 0.5%? Siyempre, it's very clear that your money could grow faster at 12%. Kaya nga, if the money that we're talking about is for your long-term goals, then you put it in your mutual fund or you put it into an investment vehicle. But if the money that we're talking about is for your emergency, then put it in the bank. Put it into your emergency fund. Kaya kailangan, alam natin kung para saan yung pera na inihahanda natin. Ngayon, just to show it to you, let us see one of the mutual fund company in the Philippines, PhilEquity Fund. So it started 1994, but let's just check the price ng 1995. 1995, ang price per share is 1.1095. So ibig sabihin, higit piso. And that is 1995. Moving forward to October 2023, now the price is 32.1988. So dito pa lang, makikita na natin agad, dumoble na siya ng ilang beses. At kung titingnan pa natin lalo yung actual return basing on computation over 28 years, the actual return of that would be 2,902%. Kaya kung naglagay ka ng 5,000 noong 1995, nakabili yan ng shares, na yung per share that time is piso, mahigit piso, 1.1095. Sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng shares, magkakaroon ka ng pagmamay-ari doon. Yung shares mo na yon, ngayon, moving forward, ang value na niyan, nasa minimum of 145,000 pesos. Nakita ninyo kung gaano lumago yung pera? Hindi ka na nga nagdagdag considering there would be up and down in the market. But, take note, hindi na tayo pwedeng bumalik kay 1995 at doon tayo magsimula. What can we do now? What we can do is, we need to start as early as possible so that our money could start working for us. Kasi sayang ang panahon. Diba? Lagi nating naririnig ito. Sayang ang panahon. Sana nagsimula na pala ako noon. Para hindi natin masabi yung dalawang word na yun, sayang at sana, magsimula po tayo para lumalago na yung ating perang iniipon. That's why we need to remember this particular financial concept. Time, not timing, is your greatest ally in investing. Ang pinakakampi po natin sa pag-i-invest ay oras. Kaya wag nating sasayangin yung oras na meron tayo, lalo na sa pagpapalago ng perang kinikita natin. And how could IMG help you with that? Through this IMG solution. First would be the financial solution. So we provide you with the financial education and the execution. So yung pinakita ko po sa inyo ngayon, it is just an overview of the many things that you could still learn as part of the IMG community. Kumbaga sa cake, sa topper pa lang tayo, nandun pa lang tayo sa pang-ibabaw pa lang. But still, you can still learn more because of the financial education that we have here in IMG. But aside from the financial education, may execution din po tayo. That's why we have access to major provider to allow us to do our execution. So kaya ayan yung ating mga partnered companies. At kung babalikan natin or titingnan natin yung ating mga partnered companies, they are the biggest company in the financial industry. So, di ba, napakaganda na magsisimula ka na lang kasi napili na sila. Kasi tandaan natin, wala pong yumaman sa aral-aral lang. Kailangan gagawin mo yung natutunan mo para ikaw ay umasenso sa buhay. Second, business solution. Become an entrepreneur. Have a business in the financial industry. So discover the world of the financial industry and become your own financial educator. Meaning, you could have a business in the financial industry, which is the wealthiest industry. Ang financial industry ang wealthiest industry. Why? It is where the money is. So make sure that your business is there. And you learn more of this as you become part of the IMG community. And then third, community support. Be in the right environment. Make sure that you are surrounded by savers, investors, and entrepreneurs. Because if you are surrounded by those people and you do what they are doing, definitely you will be like them. Kaya nga siya community. Di ba ang community, it's a group of people who do the same thing. So that's why you need to be in the right community. And then fourth, benefits platform. Since IMG is the first DIY and members benefit platform in the financial industry, once you become member of IMG, automatic po will get its benefits, which is now nasa 60 plus benefits na po tayo. Do you know when we started 10 years ago, ang benefit po 10 lang. Ngayon, more than 62 na ang benefits na meron tayo. Don't worry, hindi ko naman i-discuss lahat. I'll just show you some of it. So, top on our list would be the financial education. So, once you become member of IMG, automatic, you'll have the full version of The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book. You'll have workbook, wherein yung workbook na yon will be your guide as you attend the financial workshop. Yung financial workshop will teach you how to increase your cash flow, how to pay off your debts, how to prepare for retirement. So para tayong nasa school na nag-aral tayo at pinataas natin yung kaalamang pampinansyal natin. Ang kagandahan pa, with the workshop, you get unlimited access. So kahit hindi mo naintindihan pa ngayon, atinan mo uli, di ba? So that would be part of our benefit. And you don't pay extra for that. That's part of your membership benefit. Then, we'll teach you how to do your financial checkup so that you can see gaano nga ba ka-healthy yung ating financial pocket. Then, you get a free personal accident insurance, minimum 100,000 because accident may occur anytime and anywhere. And you get a 50,000 life insurance coverage with Fidelity Life. So it gives you an initial protection as you build your solid financial foundation. And if there are Kaiser Medical Center na malapit po sa atin, we get free unlimited consultation for all IMG members. So hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng consultation fee. Okay. Good news. For those who want to open a mutual fund account, ang good news po natin, once you become a member of IMG, automatic mutual fund investor na po tayo. So, ibig sabihin, you don't need to go through the hassle of filling a lot of forms and then submitting it to the mutual fund company because once you become a member of IMG, automatic may mutual fund account ka nang naka-open. Ang kagandahan pa nun, meron na yung initial na 1,000 pesos na investment and you can even add for as low as 20 pesos. Imagine 20 pesos, pwede kang magdagdag as part of your benefit as an IMG member. Sounds interesting, di ba? And then, as we build a solid financial foundation for our healthcare products and services, nandiyan si Kaiser International Health Group. And for our life insurance product, nandiyan naman si Manila Bankers Assurance for its life and non-life insurances. So truly, as you build a solid financial foundation, yung mga products sisimulan mo na lang. Nandiyan na yung mga companies na pagsisimulan mo. And every time we invest in mutual fund, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, 0% entry fee po siya. Ibig sabihin, naglagay ka ng 20, buong 20 na punta sa portfolio mo. Walang nabawas na processing fee. And then, once you get, you have already the time, the expertise, and you want to invest already directly to stocks, you'll have access to stocks online trading platform na MyTrade by Abacus Securities. And of course, for our real estate purchases, nandiyan si SMDC, Ayala Land, and BMCI. And of course, kung may umaway sa'yo or gusto mong humingi ng consultation or ng assistant sa isang abogado, meron tayong legal assistance program. The legal assistance program will allow us to have a free legal consultation of 45 minutes per session, 2 session per year. Libre na po yan, wala na tayong babayaran pang dagdag as an IMG member. Ring, parang ang dami nung binanggit mo. Wala yata ako natandaan. Don't worry because once you become a member of IMG, magkakaroon po tayo ng powerful members portal wherein you can see your benefits, your investment, and you can access it anytime and anywhere. And to make your transaction very convenient to IMG, meron po tayo ng ating e-wallet facility wherein it makes our transaction very convenient. So it is the NeuraCash. Ituturo po namin sa inyo how to access that and how to activate that once you become a member of IMG. And this is an overview of our members portal. Lahat po tayo, pag naging member tayo ni IMG, magkakaroon po tayo ng ganito para ma-access natin yung ating mga benefits at ating mga investment. And the following benefits are exclusively for an international member. So sino nga ba yung mga international member? International members are those who took advantage of international membership because they are outside the Philippines. Katulad po namin sila na nakabase sa ibang bansa. We have an additional worldwide protection wherein you get additional accidental death benefit of 500,000, may burial benefit na 100,000, and kung na-aksidente na hospital, you can reimburse up to 100,000. If we become part of act of terrorism and unprovoked murder and assault, 600,000 po yung additional coverage natin. So yan po yung dagdag na benefit as an international member. Plus, meron din tayong accidental disablement benefit or yung nagkaputol-putol yung parte ng katawan. So, each part of the body is covered. So, nandyan po yung mga coverage. Plus, may repatriation service wherein if the death occurs outside the Philippines, we will assist in the repatriation in coordination with the Everest Memorial Services. Okay, so those are the benefits that we have as an IMG member. So with the benefits plus the IMG solution, surely you'll be able to build a solid financial foundation. All you need to do is to become part of the IMG community. Ngayon, ang tanong, Rain, paanong maging part ni IMG community? Very simple po. Jose, join, own, share, and earn. Okay? So, ano yung join, own, share, and earn? All we need to do is to join, become part of the IMG community. So, may one-time lifetime membership fee po tayo. For those based in the Philippines, it's 6,000 pesos. And for those based internationally naman, depende po kung saang bansa nandoon po tayo. But it's an approximate of around 10,000 pesos. You can just ask the person who have invited you if you are based internationally. But for Philippines, 6,000 pesos po yan. So one time lang po yung ating membership fee. So it's a small amount but can help you solve big money problems. So you can just ask yourself, ilang 6,000, ilang 10,000 na ba ang dumaan sa palad mo na nakapagpabago ng buhay mo? Kung wala pa, why not give it a try now and have your life been changed? Meron lang po tayong yearly renewal every December na 1,500 pesos. After that, own. Start to build a solid financial foundation. Kasi hindi naman po nagtapos nung naging part tayo ng IMG community. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, we need to do the same thing as the saver, the investor, the entrepreneur are doing. So we need to start to build a solid financial foundation. Ang recommendation po natin would be the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Why? Because it's 3-in-1 already. May healthcare, may life insurance, at may investment, meaning it's a complete financial plan. How do you say that it's a complete financial plan? If it address the ifs in life. Ano yung mga ifs in life pa? What if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Solution would be life insurance, an instant money for your family. And then, what if you get sick? Who will take care of you? Solution would be healthcare. And what if you live too long? Solution would be investment and long-term care. Money working for you. The life insurance, healthcare, and investment, all of it can be found in the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. That's why it is the recommended for starting to build a solid financial foundation. Third, share and earn. Wala man po akong binenta, di ba? Pero marami tayong natutunan. Tama? Yung mga natutunan natin, makakatulong sa mga taong nakapaligid sa atin, makakatulong para sa ating kapamilya, then we also share it to them para sila din makapag-build ng solid financial foundation. Then, we earn. How can we earn? Remember the business solution? Having a business in the financial industry? So you'll have that opportunity and you can increase your cash flow. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is to take action now. Secure your future. You will always have an excuse not to save or invest. Rain, saka na lang, marami pang gastos ngayon. Pag-isipan ko muna, marami pa kasing iniisip ngayon. Tandaan po natin ito. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure. You're going to get old next year. No matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you would need money for his or her education. No matter what your excuse is, you would eventually retire and stop making active income. So what you need to do? You have to be prepared for this kinds of situation. Be with the group who inspires you. When the members of your group save, they will also inspire you to save. So, lastly, sabi nga ni Bill Gates, if you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Tama naman po. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwede na mamili ng ating magiging magulang. At hindi nila kasalanan na nung ipinanganak tayo, ay medyo mahirap sila o mahirap, di ba? Pero kung tayo ay mamamatay na mahirap pa rin dahil wala tayong ginawa, you just let all the opportunities pass by, then it's our fault already. Kasi di ba, maraming oportunidad na maaaring dumating sa ating buhay. Minsan ipinagdadasal pa natin yan, Lord, bigyan mo po ako ng magandang opportunity that could change my life. Nandyan na, ibinigay niya sa atin yung oportunidad na yun, kaya lang pinalampas natin. So I hope, wag nating palampasin yung magandang blessing or yung blessing na ibinigay sa atin, being part of the IMG community. And of course, to pay it forward also, share it to your families and friends para sila din ay magkaroon ng better financial life. So I hope marami po kayong natutunan, and of course, I'm looking forward to welcome you as part of our IMG community. So don't forget po to claim your free personal accident insurance to those people who have invited you. After this talk po, you go back to them, you say thank you to them, and claim your gifts. Sabi niyo po sa kanila yung gifts po namin. Sabi ni Ma'am Rain, yung pong aking free personal accident insurance. But as you claim your free personal accident insurance, may form po tayong fill upan and it would ask you to list 5 names of those people who can also benefit from this financial literacy campaign. So, sino ba yon? Siyempre, yung pamilya natin. So that they could also receive their free personal accident insurance. So again, thank you so much everyone. And again, this is Rain Francisco and I'm proud to be part of IMG. Thank you so much everyone and God bless po!